Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA shooting brake. And shooting is like a state version of normal sedans for Merc. This one is not a new casting, it's by Matchbox. I think it was released back in 2020-2021, but it's a good casting, especially for a mainline, so I thought of showing it to you. Now starting from the front, you can see there are some nice details. You got the Mercedes badge, the 3-star badge, the new style Mercedes grille, headlamps which are also detailed, door grille finished in black, and you also got the Mercedes logo here. It looks really nice from the front. And you also got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, second good details there. Now moving to the driver's side, I like the color combo with the wheels. The wheels look really good with this black. They could have done those ugly silver ones, but they chose to do this, and this makes it look so much better. Yeah, and you can see it's a coupe-ish design for a estate. You also got the fuel filler on the side, on the driver's side. There's no glass in the front, so you can see the interior there, finished in grey. Glass in the rear. Now, moving to the back, good details in the back too. You've got detailed tail lamp, Mercedes badge, rear stop lamps, a reflex, windshield wiper, and a spoiler in the back. In good details here. And you can see the lower bumper finished in black with the twin exhaust. On the passenger side, looks almost identical, minus the fuel filler. And this is how it looks from the top. So you've got a big sunroof here, and this is how it looks from bottom. So some details there, and you can see it's 2020. I really want to show this because some of the Matchbox mainline are like, the color combo can make it look so much better. Obviously Matchbox does a good job with details too. Yeah, so I don't know if it's re-released in any color. I haven't seen recently, but if you can find one, I think it's a good addition to any collection, and will go actually really well with the other Merc that Matchbox has done recently. Yeah, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.